Oh boy. Good morning, everyone. Okay, I think we're good. We are looking great, boys and girls. It's Friday. Yes. We're gonna be killing it today, guys. I feel it. I feel it, dude. Who is here? Who is in the chat? Popolvar, what's up? Mirko, good morning. KP, Waung, Magikark, Guy on Moose, Logic Slayer, hello, hello. Joe, what's up? Chion, bonjour de Soavois, salut, salut. Linux for all, what's up? Gerard Loper, how are you doing? Xero Linux, thank you very much for the $2 donation. Coffee time. How do you, Pilgrim? How goes it? Yeah. I hope you're doing well, dude. Thanks for the $2, dude. Appreciate it. Coffee is on Xero today. Vintage Techie, how are you doing? Oh la 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 la. Venicila, what's up? Benito I am. Good morning. How is everyone? Guys, happy Friday, guys. Hope you are doing well. This one is on Xero Linux official. Wow, it's warm. Whoa, it's warm. That's fine. So what are we gonna do today? Today, we are testing Sparky Linux. I wanted to test GNOME 49, but it's still not pushed on Arch Linux. At least when I looked at it, it was still in like testing mode. So I didn't want to test it because the moment I'm gonna test it, I'm gonna do the bench. And those bench, they're gonna be kind of like critical for maybe a video I'm gonna make. So I wanted to make sure like we had like the stable 49 release of GNOME because they come with a lot of like update regarding performance. So maybe we're gonna have finally a GNOME 49 which is equal or superior to KDE in terms of gaming performance, at least on my machine. So we'll look at it, see how it performs, but not today. Okay, only when it's fully released. So I was like, what are we gonna do? You know, last time we did some nice rally driving, but I'm not sure like you are here for that. I was driving too fast for you guys. So I'm like, hey, let's try a new distro. Eh? And I had this one on the back burner for a long time. This distro is called Sparky Linux. It's a small project and it's based on Debian. And it seems pretty interesting. So this is what we're going to do today. Sparky Linux for the win. We're going to try it. We're going to see how it performs. Yeah. That's it, that's all, chat. That's gonna be the plan for today. So do we have the capture? Oh la la, we got the capture. We're gonna install it right away. Can it play Crysis? Yes. I'm sure it does. Sparky Linux. So we'll go through the different options together. I went with the Sparky Linux semi-rolling KDE. See how it goes. Salut dev/null, what's up? How are you doing? Project based over Debian are always nice. Yes, they are kind of cool. But you know, I've been in situation where we want to try a distro and it doesn't even boot, or there is something like crazy happening for whatever reason. I just hope it won't be the case. I've never heard of Sparky. Is it like Pika? I don't know. It's a semi-rolling edge distro. I don't even know what it means. This to me doesn't look good. Listen, boys. This to me doesn't look great. Okay. So we're gonna go with the different start. Doesn't start normally, okay? Salut, Mikhail. Semi-rolling means based on Debian testing. This is really what it means? We're gonna do a no mod set, I guess. Fail-safe mode. What would be the fail-safe mode, chat? Fail-safe, no video. Okay, we're gonna try. I have no idea what it's gonna be. If this doesn't launch, we're gonna do a no mod set, okay, chat? In your conclusion, can you include a word about if it's worth it against someone like me that he used unstable for years? Yeah, we could do that. Tellurian, how are you doing? HRF Jude, what's up? Okay, I'm totally... Me 1 second, chat. We're gonna log this. Whoa! Complicated, hein, chat? My man. I don't even remember how you do that. Give me 1 second, chat. I didn't do it for so long. I think it should be fine like that, no? So no mod set, for people who doesn't know, by doing no mod set, you are not loading the driver, okay? This is the whole IG chat. But you can tell right away, like, this is not going well. So far. So I put no mod set, and now we should be able to boot. So F10. Let's see if it starts. Guys, did we got some type of gifted sub somewhere? What the... What is happening, chat? Mirko, thank you very much for the 5 gifted sub to the community. Let's go! Thank you very much for your support, dude. Thank you very, very much. Yeah, we definitely have an issue, chat. So I don't remember if it's no mod set equal 1 or just no mod set like that. Give me 1 second, chat. Just... No, I think I did it well, dude. It's no mod set. There is no equal 1. You think it's 1? Okay. You know what? We're gonna restart it again. Oh my gosh. Salut Upbeat Aspect. Don't expect much from this distro, unfortunately. They have a small team and pretty much no funding. Darn. No, I don't think it's a Vento issue. I don't think it's a Vento issue, dude. Pretty sure it's not a Vento issue. Maybe this ISO is borked or... I don't know. Salut Pizzaru, no need to use anything Debian based, just use Debian instead. True. This is the sort of issue that makes me dump a distro in the trash immediately. Yeah, but we have a stream, okay? We have a stream to go, okay? Yeah, but we have a stream to make happen, kind of. Okay, so boot live component quiet splash. Okay, so I'm gonna put it there. Nouveau dot mod set equal 0. All right, chat. I never used this command before, but I want to believe. Eloco Pepe. Hey Airmax, I just wanted to say I really liked your DE comparison video for gaming benchmark. We need more of those, merci. Thank you for your feedback, dude. We'll do more. But so far there is nothing new in the desktop environment world. I might have to redo a full one when Cosmic get pushed, for example. That could be a good idea. But right now, like, I don't see the purpose of, you know, doing it every 2 months or 3 months. But yeah, we'll do more for sure. Linux used Spark, it was ineffective. This is Linux. We don't give up at the speed bump. We adapt and we overcome. That's right. I never used the nouveau mode set way before. Me neither. I meant with over DE, so far KDE as a crown. Yes. Got it. Okay. When we have more DE on Wayland, I will do it. Like for me, X11 is gone. I know people are gonna be upset about that, but like, listen, X11 is gone. So I already want to focus on what counts, kind of, you know? Okay, so this does not work either. Disruptive change, what's up? Good morning, all. Thanks for the gifted sub. Yes, guys, if you got a sub from Mirko, dude, I thought, man. Oh, I'm doing such a bad job. You have the right to fire me, chat. But only if you are a proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club. If you are not a proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club, you have no say, okay? Mirko, thank you again for the 5. Guys, if you got... I repeat, if you got a membership from the generous Mirko, please thank him. Okay, I really count on you. If you like the show, don't forget to become a member and support the channel. We need you. Okay, like this is serious. We need you, dude. So, yes. Thanks again, Mirko. I'm doing a bad job. But I'm getting distracted. I'm getting distracted, dude. Okay, so nouveau mode set, 0. Doesn't work. Doesn't work, chat. Air Max Cat will fix this. Yes. Yes. Man, I didn't. Listen, chat. I went into this, I was like, let's give it a try. I thought it was a serious distro, man. But maybe it's not. So why am I so rough? Why am I so rough, right? I'm rough like that because if I do no mode set equal 1, I'm rough like that because in 2025, if you don't take in account the Nvidia card, your distro is dead to me, dude. I'm sorry, but your distro is dead to me. We had the number like 1 month ago. 94% of the users are using an Nvidia card. So, like, it's complicated, no, chat? Salut Elsnarko, salut Slony. 6% gain check-in. Man, I have an MG card too. But you need to be serious, right? I understand, like, maybe they don't have money. They don't have people to work on it. I'm not saying like this is Ubuntu type of case, but like come on, broski. So let's focus on the no mode set. Normally, let's normally with this command with no mode set, we should be able to bypass anything. So why the heck, if it's based on Debian, we can't do that? Am I doing something wrong? Because I could have done something wrong too, huh, chat? No mode set, Debian grub. So you don't need the one, chat. They put no mode set after the splash. So you know what? I'm gonna put it here. Okay? Because maybe it's me, chat. Maybe it's me. No mode set. That error really isn't even relevant. I got that error code for not having all my USB port plugged in the back of my motherboard when I first installed it. But it didn't prevent a boot, so that's bad. Yeah, I know it's bad. This is crazy bad, dude. Like, what the... Allez, on y croit. We believe in it. So this error, we have it all the time. No problem, okay? No issue. It's just... When it does that, it means that something is not loading properly. Maybe I need to re-download the ISO. Maybe it's an ISO download issue. Joe's Forza, what's up, my dude? Thank you very much for your support. And welcome back to la crème de la crème club, papa. Thank you very much, dude. I'm gonna re-download the ISO, chat. Try the blacklist. Well, normally when I do no mode set, it blacklists everything, brother. That, like, when you do no mode set, it just blacklists everything. Not much time wasted if you try USB stick. I'm running out of USB stick. So... Could be Vantoy. Let me check. Dude, why did I choose to do that? Like, at what point in time I was like, hey, let's make Linux a good topic of discussion for everyone. Let's have fun with Linux. What's wrong with me? I picked the rolling, Gerard. Okay, we're gonna boot. Chat. We are still in the race, chat. Okay? We are still in the race. We are still in the race, dude. Salut MIP, I'm gonna call you like that. Could be a Vantoy problem. I'm gonna check. We're gonna check together. Like, dude, downloading this ISO was a pain too, because it's hosted on SourceForge or whatever. It was a real pain, chat. Alors, Sparky Linux. I like the name. I think the name is pretty cool. Sparky Linux Vantoy. It looks like it's supposed to be working, dude. Sparky rolling installation breakdown. No. Installation. What am I reading? What am I? Dude. Oh boy! Oh boy! Where are we, Chad? What is this? Good evening. I would greatly appreciate if you could help me with the following problem. When I try to perform a first install, based the installation image does not boot and display a message stating that it is due with nouveau driver. I tried again pressing E, adding the no mode set to the end of the line, and I was able to open the ISO and install on an SSD drive. Okay, so you see, this is a nouveau issue, dude. This is a nouveau issue, chat. Salut Camille, how are you doing? First name, last name, what's up? Okay, so he had this guy. He had exactly the same problem as me. Okay. And the answer from the moderator here, which I guess is a dev. Okay. Check the Debian wiki. So we are on the Debian wiki. So we are not the only one to have issue, chat. Salut boss.superfamicom, what's up? Myrti, manage to have Void Linux with TKG kernel. Merci pour l'inspiration. Ta chaîne YouTube est vraiment un joyau. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Don't forget to support the channel if you really enjoy the content and if you can, obviously. We have a Patreon. We have YouTube membership. That would be great. Alors, newbie question. Yeah, maybe I'm a newbie, dude. Oh! Okay, so I guess we are having an upgrade right now in GLFOS. And my mouse is unresponsive. Ah! Ah! Dude. Oh no! Why are you doing that to me, dude? Man, I just think today is not the day. Ah, it's Gonzo, dude. It's Gonzo, chat. Hey, I hope you enjoy the stream, huh? No, it doesn't happen on Casio as well. Sorry, it has nothing to do with replugging the thing. I think there is some type of update. Nothing to do with the unplug and replug, bro. Yeah. Unplug and replug. And what do? We reset. I did it. I just did it, my back. Like, I know what I'm talking about, brother. I know the PC. I know my PC like the back of my hand. There is some type of upgrade, and it just crashed everything. It happened once. During the initial stream of the install. And yep, that's what happened, man. Salut Temet, how are you? Typical Friday stream with Air Max. Yeah, it never happened to me, my back. Does not, brother. I've been running CachyOS, Arch, EndeavourOS on my desktop for more than 3 years. Never happened, dude. It's fine. Okay. I'm just sharing the info with you. Okay, let's go back there. I start to look. I'm losing hope, chat. Could be power issue. Yeah, it's not, again, like, was it just the mouse frozen or the whole desktop? The whole desktop. So what I believe it's happening is like there is some big update in the background, and it frees everything. So if I do that, so glf, so sudo glf update, I guess. Bro, is this real life? Ah, okay, so I don't need to do sudo. Yeah, you see? It's broken, chat. It just broke. It's totally broken. So something happened during the update, and bam. Well, anyways, I mentioned it in my videos. I need to do something about this update. It's not good. You should be able to launch it when you want, right? Because then you have this type of problem, right? We broke 2 distro in 10 minutes. That's true. Man, this is true, bro. No problem. Are we gonna break a third one? Stay tuned. Stay tuned. My SSD is down? What do you mean? No, my SSD is good. Well, you can test LMG 7 beta if you don't want to continue. We'll see, dude. Let's see if we can solve that. And if we can't solve this, I'm talking about Sparky Linux, we're gonna do something else, definitively. I'm sorry about that, chat. Like, this is what happened, okay? Yeah. Like, you see, I don't wanna make a bad... I don't want to make a bad review of a small project like that. Right? Okay, so it seemed to work. Okay, it seemed to work. So what type of installation can we get? Minimal. Allez, minimal clear. Allez, papa. Eh ben non, voilà, non, bye. Allez. Ah, ok, got it. Allez, voilà. Let's level up and break an immutable next. Already done it. Already done it, brother. It's going to be a very short video. Ubuntu beta. Salut Futura. Adam Chi, what's up? In order to install KDE Linux, you need Rufus. True, but we just checked, and it looked like you can boot Sparky Linux from a Vantoy key. Okay? So I believe this is not an issue of Vantoy. I just want to give it another try. Maybe last time I downloaded the ISO at 3.6 megabytes per second. Maybe there was some type of issue. So we're gonna try again, okay, chat? We are not changing the plan. 11 on 10, 100% stable because you can't use it. Yes! Dude! Exactly! Salut Patos. Testing over distro just to prove that Cache OS is the best. Man. Listen. We're trying the minimal ISO. We're gonna have the minimum like footprint for error because it's smaller. I want to believe in it, chat. I want to believe in it. It's Friday. Everything is fine, guys. Okay, it could be worse. It could be worse. I could be trying to install Ubuntu right now. Okay, I stopped my bad jokes. Salut Ghost, how are you doing? Could be worse, dude. You could have been installing Manjaro right now. Man, you know what? Maybe we should do a Manjaro install. Manjaro. To do a good clickbait on YouTube. And I will put the title Manjaro, the new gaming reference. With my face like that. You know? Like that's a good plan, chat. Speaking of Ubuntu, I did do a quick check that Sparky was originally Ubuntu based before switching to Debian base and name swap. Oh, what was the name before? Manjaro, I didn't realize this was a masochism channel. Until now. Remember to put a lot of penguin in the thumbnail for that Manjaro video. True. I would love to see a Manjaro install review. Man. It's better now, Manjaro? Man, you're gonna sell it to me, chat. Okay. It's working, huh, Temet? Okay. I think honestly, like if you don't touch the AUR, you should be fine. With Manjaro. I hate to say it. Now, are they the best in terms of like good practice, etc., etc.? You know, not really. But if it works, right? Is it sparkly? No, it's not sparkly at all, brother. So guys, we are not trying to fix GLFOS, okay? We are trying to launch Sparky Linux and install it. Okay, this is what we're gonna do this stream, hopefully. So I had the KDE installed and I had to switch to the minimal CLI. Okay. I want to believe. Oh! Boys! Boys, we did it! We did it. So you see, it works with Vantoy. Confirmed. But now we need to install it. Oh, I ask for minimal. True. Team, how are you doing? Are we doing a bench of the terminal? Minimal is minimal, bro. Okay, let's see. We got this, chat. So Sparky installation guide. Allez, we got this, dude. Okay, I'm on the wiki. Chat, I found the wiki. On my phone. So we are on the CLI, right? So the idea is like after out, we'll have some type of installation, right? So this is the advanced installer. I'm on it, chat. Don't be worried. We got this. Sudo Sparky installer. Allez. Sudo Sparky. We got this, dude. GUI. Missing in offline drive the ISO. Internet connection is required. Click OK. Yes. Yes. Auto partitioning. Yes. Just let me choose my disk, please. Bro. Bro. Dude, listen. If it deletes my main system, I think I'm gonna lose my mind, chat. Where is the select disk? I clicked yes, dude. So this is this one. Man, listen, chat. I think we're gonna go. what did he do? Like this is really crazy. Like this is this is tough, chat. Man, the tension is really strong, dude. If I buy you another video card, do you have room in your PC to run 2? No, Tim, I don't. I don't have room, brother. What a shame. The 4090 is just too big. So I guess we're gonna have to install the desktop manually. So I have the PCI Express lane, but I don't have room in the PC. I will have to change everything. Having this installer make you wish you would have chosen Arch manual install. True. Even Proxmox has a better installer than this, and that's for nerds. Oh boy. Firmware upgrade. Yes. Okay, dude, we got this. KDE5? What? Am I crazy? KDE5? Bro! It's not possible. It's a typo, chat. Alright, did I miss it? It's a typo, dude. It can't be. Man, KDE5 doesn't make sense. It's a typo, chat. Web browser. Firefox. Eh oui, papa. Yes. Bah oui. Yeah, I see QT6, dude. I didn't get the memo. Who is the target audience of this distro? I have no idea. Salut Brian. I installed Sparky Linux KDE version. It worked with no issue for gaming. Nice to hear. We are doing it our way today. And hopefully it's gonna be fine. Okay? Hopefully it's gonna be fine. I'm excited for Steam dropping 32-bit, same. So guys, if you are on a rolling edge distro right now, and you have a systemd update, please don't upgrade. Okay? Don't upgrade systemd as there is a big problem on it. And it breaks the gamepad and USB input within Steam. Alright, chat? Because we are talking about Steam, just a little like in between comma stuff. Yeah, systemd is gonna hurt. I totally forget to mention it at the beginning of the stream. Sorry, chat, but like Venisila mentioned like the fact that Steam was dropping 32-bit. I think this is gonna happen in January 2026. Right now, I'm talking about the fact that systemd had an upgrade. I think it was yesterday, and it breaks the support of the Steam input on Steam. Long story short. So don't upgrade systemd for now. Just wait until Steam fix it. There is a ticket on the GitHub of Valve. I believe they might make also a ticket on the systemd repo. So yeah, if you are using a joystick, gamepad, or whatever, you're gonna be in trouble. If you don't use anything other than a keyboard and mouse, it's fine though. True. So it's just for Steam input. Steam input is for everything related to gaming, like, a gamepad, a joystick, or whatever. Salut Nader, how are you doing? Wasn't Steam input only for Steam controller? I don't know, man. It looks like a lot of users are being impacted right now. I think it break all the udev. You know, the way you can remap the button and declare like the different like stuff. Hardware. If everything went well, you should have your new system installed. Yes. Okay, wish me luck, chat. Yeah, I thought it was for all controller too, but I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but... Debian, dude. It's here. On the right drive. I still have... Yeah, I still have my main here. CachyOS, by the way. Guys, we are solid. Oh, let's go. Let's go on Sparky. Man, if it doesn't boot, we are... effed. Ah! No mod set will work here. Good stuff. I'm gonna no mod set that baby. Like a boss. We'll see who is the boss here. Where are you, dude? Listen, my heart was going up and down the whole install. I won't lie to you, chat. No mod set. I think this is the way, no? Yeah, this is the way. What do you think about NixOS, CacheOS kernel via chaotic Nix? Never tried it. We did it, boys! Is this really KDE5? Can't be, dude. Oh. So we have KDE 6.3 with Kwin X11. Let me think. Can you make the on-screen big? I couldn't see. Dude. APT upgrade. Yeah, we're gonna check. Just one step at a time, okay? Before we go into the upgrade stuff and everything else. Just looking at the source. So we are on 4key. So 4key, guys. 4key is actually testing. What the heck? Like, and they have their own repo. Okay, so this is cool, chat. This is. This could be a banger, chat. I just don't understand why we don't have Wayland. Right? So we have 550, 535. So they decided not to have Wayland. Like, why? Why, dude? None of the icon is actually here, dude. Look at it. Okay. So we went breeze dark. Everything looks better now. I need to remove. No, there is Mars acceleration, brother. So you remove that, thanks. Okay, yeah. Okay. Uh-huh. So maybe this is just AI streaming to us. Damn. Like what the heck, brother? Like this is insane. Okay. So X repo Linux Debian. Blah blah blah. This we did. No, this is not how you do that. Oh, actually, yeah, you need to do that. The guy is right. The guy is right, chat. This is right. And then, how do I add the repo? Enabled. Voila. So, ext repo search Nvidia, I guess. Voila, that's the one. And then you do sudo ext repo enable Nvidia. Canadian robot streamer. Oh no. So now normally it should be fine. Okay. So I'm gonna do apt search Nvidia. Yes. So which one should I install? Should be open Nvidia, something like that. Give me 1 second, chat. Voila. Nvidia open. Yeah, that would be the way. So sudo apt install Nvidia open. DKMS. Yes. Yeah, Xrepo is actually awesome. We got this, chat. We got this. All right, so let's see what happened, chat. Let's see what happened now. Do for Wayland, Plasma Wayland session first. I think we're gonna have to install it. Like the way they install the driver should be fine. I believe. What a pain, I know. Like this distro is complicated, but yeah. I don't think it's nuked. I don't think it's nuked. I'm wondering if I should have added the header. Update the initram fs. I didn't see what it did exactly, so... See, like the... normally this installer... Like the driver normally normally it does it automatically, that's why. Maybe time to retire Nvidia. I have a 9070 XT. Yeah. It's really, really complicated, chat. Could you see if you have Ubuntu driver tool? No, I don't need that. I don't need this. I don't know if he did the initram fs update, right? Maybe, you know, maybe there is no header, maybe, you see, watch. Yeah, there is no header. So how do you want DKMS to install, right? That's a problem. Man, he didn't force the install of the header. So we'll say it's my fault, chat. I don't remember. Okay, so it should be fine. Like, this is not a noob-friendly distro, right? This is not a noob-friendly distro. The funny part is that installing this on Debian is actually easier. We want to see the setup time for Sparky versus Gentoo now. I know I do. So we updated the initram fs. We did the install of the driver correctly. So I just see the DKMS. Maybe I need to rebuild. I feel like installing Debian stable and switching to testing is easier. Yeah, that's what I believe, man. All of this just for having the driver. Well, this is on Debian. You kind of have to do that, right? Like you need to install the repo. You need to install everything else. Is this just Ubuntu testing? No, it's not Ubuntu. It's Debian, brother. It's Debian testing, aka Forky. That's the name of it. Yeah. It's complicated, huh, chat? Let's redo all the steps. See if I missed one. Reality is like, I don't do that anymore. Right? Most of the distro we use here and we test, they support kind of like Nvidia. Yeah. It's me, chat. Let's word it this way, like it's like how do I upgrade GKMS? Generate everything just to make sure. ArchWiki, where are you? Just rebuild. Just need to upgrade the DKMS and see where we're at. That's all. If it doesn't work, we're gonna do something else. So they have a DKMS auto install apparently. I think the Nvidia driver does it by default. But I'm not sure. So we're gonna redo it just for sure, but just to make sure like everything is fine. And I re-update the initramfs. DKMS update. Never heard about this command, but yeah, I never heard about this command, brother. Still new, what's DKMS? So when you install the driver, because they are not open source, they need to be loaded at start. So DKMS kind of makes the link between the loading and the kernel. So this is a way to load the proprietary driver, kind of. But to load them, you need to build them. So we are building it after installing it. And normally when you install the driver, it's done by default, but here it's not done. But to load the DKMS, you also need the the header and so the Linux kernel header, etc., etc. Okay, so we did it, right? You see? So I thought it will be doing that like. Oh, wait. I think we are on Wayland now, no? Yeah, okay, now we are on Wayland. Interesting. So because we didn't have the driver installed, it didn't push me through Wayland. So now it's done. Okay, not that bad actually. Not that bad, chat. Oh, my eyes. Okay. Nice! Bro! Not bad, huh? We did it, dude! We did it! I don't know what is this. Wait. Okay, I was like, what the heck? We did it! Yeah. Did you install Wayland? No, I did not install Wayland. So what I believe is like because the driver were not there, he was not able to push the Wayland session out of the box. Now he did it. That's why we had the bug at the beginning and all the stuff. So now we are in. Okay, so we need to install so sudo dpkg, what is it? Architecture i386, I guess. Add. Oh man. Oh man, I don't remember all the stuff. Add architecture. My bad. Like that. Okay. Man, I think I'm gonna become a Windows 12 streamer, chat. What do you think? Windows 12 streamer, voilà, no problem. My brain is not in a good mood, dude. There we go. Yeah, I had to update. I thought I did it, but I looked at the command I used. It was not the right one. We got this, chat. We got this. We got this. Allez. Everything is fine. Please don't. Time for FreeBSD? No. No. Install the sound, please. Let me mount the hard drive. That would be good. All right. Okay. Okay, we got this. We got this, chat. Just configure my sound system there. Nice. You want to test it, dude?
Front, left, front, right, front, right, front, right, front, right.
Working. Okay, fast fetch should be updated. Yes. Oh la 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 la. We did it, chat. Allez, install Steam. So here, like, honestly, like you're on Debian, in fact, right? Like this is where you're at. So there's not a lot of surprise, I guess. So what does Sparkly? So Sparkly right now, we're gonna check. I'm gonna launch some game, okay, just for science. But the way I see it, it's like 4-key, right? This is 4-key enabled, kind of, right? You want to go on chat? So it's 4-key enabled, I believe. This is a big thing. We're gonna look into the repo to see really what they had, but that's what I've seen so far. So let me set up this real quick. Okay. I'm adding a drive here, chat. 1 second. Normally should be like to-doop. Yes! To-doop. We good. Alright, chat. All the game are here. Yeah, here we go. So bench. Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Latest plasma is 6.4.5 and this is 6.3.6. Yes, because it's based on Debian, dude. And I believe like testing, right? The branch of testing is still not there, right? That's the reason why we are a little bit late. Yeah, it's Debian KDE. I agree with you, Xero. That's the way it look, at least for me right now. Might have a surprise, chat. You know, sometime everything vanilla, everything like simple. You know? We don't need to reinvent the wheel, chat. But the real question will be like, why would you install that versus making like a Debian install for key right off the bat? Why would you do this to you? That will be my question. Because you get the Debian minimal install, you modify the source of the repo, right? You go on for key right off the bat, and you're good to go. You want the logo? Yeah. Man, I think we're gonna have an insane result. I think we're gonna get an insane result. I look at the number right now. We are pushing, chat. We have at least to check what they offer in the Sparky repo. Yeah, good and fair point. We're gonna check. El Snarko, we're gonna check. No pants? Okay, who is in the team no pants like me, chat? Skirt? Man, the FPS, they look crazy, huh? I look at those numbers and it makes my 3080 12GB cry. Nah, you're fine. You don't need those numbers, dude. Like, this is the fluff. This is for the benchmark and the stream to see, like, how much you can get, right? With a top-notch, like, rig and fully optimized. Oh. You remember what I said? Fully optimized. Ah. Brother. I don't think I'm gonna make a review of this. Alright, chat. I don't think I'm gonna do it. Because I don't want to be mean towards the team, right? Like, it's a small team. They try to do their best. I feel like if I do a review, it's gonna be violent. And there is no reason to be violent. You know what I mean, chat? Do we try again? You can't imagine me violent. Yeah. No, you don't want to do that. Ah, browser. So yeah. How can I search what is in the repo, chat? Can I browse it? So that's the one I'm using, right? Semi-rolling. 64 gram, AnyDesk. Okay, Discord. FreeTube. Oh, they have, dude, they have a kernel there. Is it the kernel I use? No, it's not, chat. So I think I'm using the normal one. This has to be the back port. Enfin, no, it's not the back port. This is the kernel from Forky. Okay? So sudo, I'm gonna install the kernel they provide. apt install. They have the LTS one and they have the latest one. So I'm gonna try this one. Linux, headers, Sparky, yeah. We're gonna install this one, we're gonna see, okay, chat? Oh, look at it. They have also some type of configuration, right? Sway open box, okay. The Plymouth theme, okay. Team viewer. Ventoy, VeraCrypt, okay. Okay, so it's not bad. Like, they provide something for sure. It did redo the DKMS reinstall here, so it's good. Update the initram FS. Okay, so we're gonna try, chat. We're gonna try it. So yeah, I know how to do a search, right? I was just trying to see what was inside the repo itself. So now we know, right? So I'm gonna make sure we are on the Sparky one. Yeah, Sparky. Let's go. Yeah, we're not going Manjaro, dude. I know Magikarp, he wants me so hard to do a Manjaro full stream. But I think if we do a Manjaro, I'm gonna make like a full like donation goal just for me to be able to handle it, chat. Okay? Oh no. So yeah. So this kernel does not support my network card. So there is a kernel in it, but it's not how to explain. It's not supporting my network card, so we can't really use it. So I need to reboot. Will TKG work with it? Oh yeah, for sure. We can install TKG for fun. Rather, how are you doing? Welcome to stream, dude. Did you try Mochaccino OS yet? Mochaccino OS? Are we talking about Garuda? This is what you are talking about, right? I'm good. How is Canada treating you? Man, so far so good. We have good weather. So far, like I'm solid, brother. Thanks for asking, dude. Thank you very much for asking. Okay, I'm installing the kernel right now. Enjoy here in Denmark. We have 22 degrees and rain. Oh no. Air has never benched a Gentoo based distro yet. Yeah, that's right. I didn't do. I did a review. I did a review of an installer that some of my buddy made about Gentoo. That was like 3 years ago, but we didn't bench at the time. And I've been using Gentoo like, I don't know, 20 years ago, 15 years ago. I know how it works. Not sure I want to make a stream about it though. Hello, Eda, Seal, what's up? Salut, Skullfrag, how are you doing? So I believe now Gentoo come with his own binaries, right? We don't have to compile that much compared to before. Okay, so Sparky Linux here with TKG board. Gentoo stream next time? No, man, I don't have time for that. I don't think it's going to be too long of a stream. And I just have a 9800 X3D. So I don't know how long, you know, everything's going to take. How is Sparky so far? It's really complicated. It is really complicated, chat. Like I want to be honest with you, like it's really complicated. I like the idea of it, because I love Debian. I think the execution is not there. I had a problem with the Nvidia driver. We had a problem with the kernel. We had a problem with the installer, the first one, so we had to use the CLI version. It's like your ex Ghost. You like the idea, but the execution was rough. So only 2 hours, Camille, for a stage 4? Maybe one day we do that. We do a full series of Gentoo. We don't need to do it in one day. We could do like, I install Gentoo and we do like a series of like 10 streams, for example. Right? We could do that. With stage 4, 20 minutes. So what are the stages? It's like pre-compiled, kind of. They have the pre-compiled like binary on their repo. Versus you like doing the full emerge stuff and waiting for everything to happen. Man, it has been such a long time I didn't touch Gentoo. Like, I think it's gonna be a funny stream, chat. If we do that, I think it's gonna be a really funny stream. What do we do? Pants or no pants, dude? I want to hear it before we arrive there. No pants, by the way? Okay. It will be a crazy stream. I need to buy a 9950 X3D or a Threadripper, chat. To do this stream. Has Sparky sparked yet? Well, we installed the custom repo for CUDA. We installed the custom TKG kernel. And now it works. Long story short. Yes! No pants! No pants! Salut Gabor Fayes, what's up, dude? Salut everyone, salut papa, what's up, how are you doing? Look at this. Even the kid, he went with no pants. It's like showing who is the boss to the authority. It's like, hey, papa is not wearing a pants, me neither. Give me that piece of meat! I'm talking about the pork. Or whatever is on the thing there. 339, okay. Okay. It is what it is, chat. Not bad. But like we change everything, right? Stage 4 is something you make by your own, like Cambria was doing or Orchid. You decompress, put your name, password, activate service, and go. What is my highest? 347. Air Max talking about kids not having pants and wanting meat is crazy. Okay, man. Hey. $339. Yeah, it's good. With the 9070 XT on the same machine, I will do 220, something like that. To give you an idea, like to show you where we land. So basically, margin of error, yes. Margin of error, but on CachyOS and over distro, I can reach. Yeah. Let's say margin of error. I just started to watch the stream, but holy, this installation was a pain in the... Yes. It was. But like here we are cheating, right? Because we changed the kernel. Man, I don't know what they do in CachyOS, but here I have 500 FPS, man. How is that possible? I was making the test last time. I was like 580 there, chat. Oh yeah, well, but this is... Guys, this is butter smooth, dude. Like this is... So maybe it's because of the cloud or something. Maybe the cloud here is like destroying our FPS. So... But man, this is disgustingly fluid. Like nobody will see the difference here. Cache dev are apostles. CachyOS has a performance scheduler enabled by default. Yeah, it could be that too. It only has taken 2+ hours and you actually know what you are doing and they expect it to be usable for the average person. Goodbye. Yeah. Like if you don't know what you are doing... Listen, if you don't know what you are doing with this type of distro, you're in trouble, right? It's the same for Arch. Wait, okay, so this is basically, to me, the way I see it, chat. The way I see it, this is Debian plus a little repo, and they let you on your own, right? A nice installer, nice theme. The little repo has some, application. Well, but this is basically a mother distro. If you go on any mother distro, you kind of need to document yourself and know what you are doing. And let's be honest, this is hard. Okay? Like, this is not for everyone. This is rough. So Debian is in fact, like I would say, like my main distro on server. The distro like I've the most paper experience on. My second will be Arch-based distro, like Arch. But like, it's rough, man. This is rough. I'm gonna make a video about my experience on Omarchi, for example. I've been using Omarchi on my laptop, okay? Since we installed it on stream, okay? Okay, let's remove the limit just for science, chat. Here I do 330, 340. Yeah, okay, so this is it, chat. Have a nice day, everyone, and au revoir, Air Max. Take care. I will keep my Cache OS for now. Yes. Me personally, I only install non-fork distro, but these are kind of fun too. Non-fork, so mother distro. This is what I'm saying, right? First name, last name. Good luck, brother. Man, the number of FPS we have on this machine is crazy, bro. It is insane, dude. Testing Open Mandriva. Open Mandriva. We could give it a try, but... We tried Mageia. So you can game on that, right? Like, if I was saying no, you can't game, I would be lying to you. Like, you actually can game, no problem, right? And it works. Let's see with this. I heard from a former Microsoft dev that Space Cadet Pinball can run up to 2000 FPS. Like, do we really need to do that, brother? Crazy FPS, you are just playing the wrong game. According to Gearbox CEO, 5090 is a 1080p card. Okay, I don't want to get into that either, dude. I don't want to get into that, man. I know where you are going. Know where you are going there, dude. Uh-oh. Did we break the game? Okay, we break the game. I need to restart it. Fazy, my dude, how are you doing? Happy Friday. What's up? So how is Sparky? Well, Sparky is it's not for everyone. Sparky is not for everyone, chat. Okay? Can we have it black? Oh yeah, that's my jam, dude. Am I in 1080p? I think I'm in 1080p. We don't want that. Ah. Okay, I was like, whoa, the game is not really like... Guys. You want to lose your mind? You want to lose your mind, chat? This car is insane. Listen to it. This car is...
4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 right, 100.
He has the biggest turbo.
150. 2 left, extra long, tightens.
I think the day I get a wheel,
3 right, don't cut.
that's gonna be my main car, dude.
Opens over crest.
It is so fun to drive.
Opens 30, 2 right long. Into 3 left, 30, 4 left. Don't cut, 1 right, opens over crest. Into 2 right. Don't cut 2 left long.
It's like if I press the accelerator too hard,
Extra long.
like the car goes in drift mode.
Tightens 2 long. Into 6 right. Into 2 left long. Opens over crest. 6 right. Into cut 5 left.
This is my jam.
2 right.
I'm drifting.
4 extra long. 50.
Whoa!
4 left.
Whoa!
30. 4 left long. Opens. Into 5 right. 100. Now 4 right. Into short. 6 left. 40. 4 right. Opens 6. Crest into 2 left. Don't cut. Into 5 right long. 3 left long. Tightens 2.
Man!
6 long over crest.
Whoa! Whoa!
Right long. Opens 30. Small cut. Left long.
It's like you have no acceleration,
Long over crest.
or you are like...
Into 4 left. Into 4 right. Into 4 left long.
Or you are drifting.
Right. Into cut 3 left long. Into 5 right over crest. Into cut 5 left. Into 6 right. Opens 50. 3 right. Cut.
It's like 500 horses.
Into 6 right over crest. Into 4 left long. Small cut. 50. 3 right long. Opens. Into cut 4 left. 4 right. Into 3 left tight. Small cut. Into keep right over 50. 4 right. 5 left. Cut late. Extra long. 30. Early. 5 right over
I'm drifting right now, chat.
6 left. 50. 6 right.
I don't know if you see it, but every time I turn, I'm drifting.
Into 6 right. Cut 4 left.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
6 right. Cut 6 left. 5 right. Into 5 left over crest. Into 6
Whoa!
long. 30. 4 left. Cut. Into 7. 3 right. Into 4 left. 30. 2 right. Tightens. Into 2 left. Extra long. Opens 120. 3 right long. Tightens. Into cut 5 left.
Whoa, 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 whoa! One mistake, dude. One mistake.
Into 3 right. Extra long over crest. 50. 3 left long.
This car is so fun to drive, man.
5 right.
But you need, yeah, like you need the wheels there, definitively.
80.
And you need pedal to... Whoa!
6 left. Into 3 right. Extra long. Tightens.
This is so far like the funniest car I found.
Extra long. Tightens 4. 30.
Whoa! Whoa! Another mistake, dude.
Don't cut 3 left long. Slow 50. Turn. Hairpin right. 50 over finish. 100 to stop.
Dude! Dude! This car is horrible, man. It's so hard to drive. It's like... Oh! Anyways, it works, chat. Great experience. I might have to do another run. You know what I forget? I forget to put the FPS. You came last. Hey, I finished... Listen. I finished the race. I'm pretty happy about myself. You know what I mean? You forget to turn. No fatality, it's a good day. Hey, listen, Chad. Hein? Bon. Let's do it again. Now with Mongoad. See, I think I have like 340 FPS, 330 FPS, that would be my guess. Something like that, chat. Yeah, we're gonna do Cyberpunk. I just want to see that first. To see if I'm right or wrong on this. Oh, and this one has 550. Oh, what is this? Do we try the 550 for science? Yes? Okay, let's try. Let's try for science, chat. Look at this monster, dude. Yeah, 350, okay. Oh! It's a bot! It's a tractor, chat. Whoa! Whoa! Man, I would be scary to drive a car like that, I'm telling you. Like. No, no, no! No, I can't believe I was doing better with this car than the other one. Whoa, whoa, whoa! The car! Oh la la! Oh la la! Oh, up, 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 up. No, not the wall! It feels like a bot. Oh! It's not my type of car, dude. But I think I'm gonna perform better. Yeah, I perform better because it's less hard to drive.
Into 3 left tightens small
It's
cut.
more like, I don't know how to explain. Predictable.
Right. Left, complete, extra long, 30. Early, 5 right to the crest, cut, 6 left, 50. 6 right long, cut, 6 left, into 6 right, cut, left.
Oh, the brake! Oh, the brakes that kill everything, dude. Oh! But we have good FPS, no? Blame him on an iGPU, it's easier. 340 FPS. It's fair, no, chat? I don't know why I like this one so much, chat. This one is fun to drive. Dude, look at this monster. Look how cool he look. Look at it.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 right, 100.
Yeah, this one is like,
Left, 150.
it's danger,
2
dude.
left, extra long, tightens. Into 3 right, don't cut. Opens over crest. Into 5 right long.
This one is flying.
30, 2 right long. Into 3 left. 30.
This one is like
4 left.
fire, dude.
Don't cut 1 right. Opens over crest.
It's like you have no power or you are drifting. There is no in the middle.
Tightens. Into 5 right over crest.
That's why I like it so much.
Caution. Tightens 2.
Bop, bop, bop.
Into 6 right. Into 2 left long. Opens over crest. 6
Each
right,
turn, it play with your mind.
left. Opens 150.
You're like, am I going to make it or not?
Opens 4. Extra long. 50.
Whoa! See, I told you! I told you, dude!
Four left long, opens into 5 right, 100. Narrow 4 right, into short, 6 left, 40. 4 right, opens 6, and crest into 2 left, don't cut. Into 5 right long, 3 left long, tightens 2. Opens 6 long over crest, into 1 right long.
I would love to be good enough to feel when the turbo start. 'Cause you see?
We have punctured the left rear.
I'm drifting, dude. Okay. Lighter cars, that makes the difference. Having much HP is advantage only on long straight. Yeah, and when you can manage the throttle better, right? Because it's a turbo, like if I was able to like push the turbo but not like push it to the ground, maybe I could have more control, right? Yeah. I believe. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. I don't know, chat. So let's do a little cyberpunk. Drink a vodka. You want me to be this guy? I do believe I'm gonna buy a steering wheel and some pedal at a certain point. Maybe not now, maybe before the end of the year. But I really wanna try, chat. Like I really wanna try, dude. I don't know when I was thinking that, but I was like, maybe we could literally do a second channel where I just do that all the time. Yeah, it's some FPS, dude. But here, like, what you need to understand is like we have a base of Debian, the TKG kernel is gonna be exactly the same, right? And it all began with someone in chat saying like steering wheel are cool. Yes. Rally Max. Yes. I have to double take your name. I always think gear developer, but it's EO much more triggering. What are you mentioning, dude? Gerard developer? Okay, I get it. I think I would be like something like Rally Max or Air Race. Think about Air Race. That would be cool. I have a Logitech G920 driving force. For me, it's worth all the cents. Ready? Yeah, so we have good... Man, this is good. This will be good, chat. Okay. So... Driving Sims gear get expensive quick. Yeah, and especially if I want to run it on Linux, man. Like... Okay, so good result. What else do we test normally, chat? Yeah, we tested everything. This thing works. You drop the int. Any good mage will tell you to lean into int. True, dude. You want the intelligence for those max damage and high how do you call that? You want the high damage for sure. I saw those flight/space sims. You end up paying $1 for HOTA and rudder pedal. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think you need to go like crazy all in to have a fun experience, right? But it's definitely part of the deal. Like it costs a lot of money, chat. Man, I don't know what to say about this distro, dude. I don't even know if we should... I should make any type of a review of it, chat. With the TKG kernel and the driver installed, like it works. But I want to say it's just Debian, chat. Like to me, and what is the unofficial? What do we have there? Deb's multimedia. So he had these two. debmultimedia.org. This is what you get ready. So the debmultimedia.org, Sparky, the Sparky source with specific like package, and the Debian source on. Let me check that. On 4key, yeah. You see, it's set up on 4key. I don't know, man. I can't. I don't understand. Like, I want to be honest with you. I don't get the point. Was 4key in Toy Story 3? I don't know. But this is where we are at, chat. On paper, it should be, right? HRF dude, because that's the whole point of Debian and naming. Okay, this is 4key. You ask, we have it. This is 4key, dude. If you really want Debian, Sparky is not worth the hassle over Pika. Yeah. I don't know, man. Like, there is a lot of things I don't understand, chat. Okay. I'm trying really hard right now to say yes. Maybe this is this or that or whatever, but like, why? SparkyLinux distribution on Debian, fast, lightweight, feature standard desktop version, frugal mini GUI version of the open box, for frugal minimal CLI version with a graphical desktop, for advanced users who want to create their own desktop from the ground. Free special game over for computer gaming, multimedia for audio video enthusiasts, and rescue. So what is this? What? Why I don't see it? Game over. Maybe I can install it. Maybe we totally missed it. Sparky meta game. Okay, so I guess this is it, chat. Let's see what he installed. Okay, it doesn't work. Bigfoot, Gnubik, GTK pool. What is this, man? In general, Sparky is not targeted for Linux beginner. Okay, so I feel, you see, they know, right? They know it's not for beginner. Anyway, the Linux beginner are welcome too. Okay. This was the one. Got it, okay. Ah, man, I don't know what to say about this distro. Like, this is such a weird one, huh, chat? Yeah, there is only one dev. Got it. Okay, well, guys, I don't think it's a bad work. I wouldn't say it's a bad work. But, yeah, it need to mature, I think. I don't know for how long they've been running, but the fact that it doesn't support Nvidia is a big problem for me. Right? And it's this weird space where it's not for beginner. So you still have to do some of the work. It's hard for me to see the value added. You know what I mean, chat? Like... What is this? So he has his own like application center. You see, this is where I have a disconnect. I have a big disconnect, right? Because in one hand, you need to be a god to understand like how to navigate within the distro itself. And the other side, you have like tools like that, which are definitively like oriented toward like beginner. Because if you know how to use the distro with a terminal, why would you use this? You know what I mean? This is where I have a disconnect. So what do you mean it doesn't support Nvidia? So if so, that's really bad. It's not like set up out of the box, right? I have a really hard time with that, chat. And I think with the PostScript install for Debian, you will have a way better experience than this. But maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, man. Like, it's like... I see the work here. I see the... You know, the wheel of doing something good. Yeah. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna make a review of that, chat. Like performance with the normal kernel and nothing, it was just crashing. So you still have to install a custom kernel, you have to install the driver manually, you have to do everything, in fact. And the package they provide within their own repo, I don't see it happening, chat. I don't see it happening. I think we're gonna end the stream. Would you use stock? But LMG7 interests me. So what is this, like this LMG7? Like what's new with LMG7? Like I'm like LMG7. So when was that, chat? Yeah. I don't know. Apparently you can install it, but I don't see a release. Published the 18th of September. So yesterday. So I guess it's still beta, right? Yeah, it's beta. I've a total like disinterest in Mint right now. Because they are so late on Wayland and because they impose like Cinnamon, it's like meh. You know, for gaming, I don't think it's a good choice right now. Like 1 year and a half ago, I would have told you like, hey, Linux Mint will be top of the list. But now I'm like, you know, Wayland is not there. And whether it's on beta, whether it's on Debian or Ubuntu, you're gonna have the same issue because of the non-Wayland existence of Cinnamon. Right? So if you're a gamer and you don't have Wayland, I think you are missing out. We tried Garuda not so long ago. I think we tried Garuda not so long ago. Right now, like, guys, I don't know if you noticed, but it's super poor in terms of, like, new release or new stuff. We tried Garuda. Let me check it. We tried Garuda not so long ago. Here, watch. 4 months ago. With Mocha and Hyperland edition review. We did it. Right? So I know there is a lot of content, a lot of things to watch, but still, like, there is nothing like, you know, that kind of stand out where I'm like, oh, I need to try that. I think, like right now, my feeling is that we kind of like cover almost everything, right? I don't even know if I made a video about it. Wait. Maybe I did not. Yeah, I did not, because I was like, meh, maybe not worth it. $25.10 Ubuntu, man. MX Linux, no, I'm good, bro. Manjaro, I don't even know if I covered it. Well, let me check. I think we did one install a long time ago. Yeah, I covered it. 1 year ago. That's enough, man. Listen, brother, that's enough. Like, yeah. Nope. Nope. So chat, I think we covered everything for this one. Like, I don't have a lot of things to say about this. Solus, yes. So if you are wondering, you just go there and you do Solus, right? Tested it, reviewed it. Yeah, bro, if you like Fedora, it's good, man. You know, like, I'm not, like, if you look any of my video, I don't force any type of distro on anyone. I just share my thought process. But that's all I do, dude. If you like Fedora, go for it, brother. If you like MX Linux, go for it. Like, I'm not, you know, I'm not this type. I don't really care about what people use in general. I'm just sharing my experience. So Gentoo, we didn't do Gentoo. Wait. Maybe we did. Let me check. Oh, yes, Cabria, dude. A fast and easy way to install Gentoo. Tiens. Look at this. Look at this, dude. You want to see me on Gentoo? No problem. Et voilà, Cambria. It was Gentoo, in fact. You see? Not lying to you, chat. If we go to Distro Watch and we look at the distro there, donc CachyOS, Mint, MX Linux, okay, EndeavourOS, PopOS. Can't believe like PopOS is still here, like it's crazy. Ubuntu, Fedora, Manjaro, Arduino OS, we did it. MiniOS, I did not. Q4OS, Bluestar, what are those? KDE Linux, so Sparky Linux, we tried it. Elementary I did. Big Linux I did. Poppy Linux. Man, what are we doing, dude? Tuxedo we did, PKOS we did. So let's see what we have here. MiniOS. Debian base. Allez, here we go. Pocket Linux, powerful, convenient. Oh, that's a portable distro, dude. True portability. We are not gaming on that, bro. Bro, we are not gaming on that. Have you done OpenSUSE? No, I did not. That could be a good one. Yeah, okay, so this is not, definitely not. So Q4 OS. Okay, let's see what they do here. What is Q4 OS? What is this? I can't even understand what it is. Fast, friendly, blah, blah, blah. But what is it? Too much words for my brain, dude. It's a Debian, especially on lightweight. Salut Vincef. Salut Vincef F. How are you, dude? Have you done Garuda? Of course I've done Garuda, Broski. I use it for like 6 months, I think, on my main PC. Blue Star Linux. Voilà, Blue Star, suck to suck. Irenos, the Irenos is independently developed, rolling release, designed to general desktop. GNOME. Say goodbye to system-wide reboot for every little change. Bring you an atomic update that instantly apply while answering systems stay protected through atomic rollback. This could be interesting. That could be. This could be interesting, dude. This could be interesting, chat. Well, KDE Linux, we need to try it. The issue I have with this one is that you need a USB key. Oh, that's Serpent OS. Okay, now I get it. This is Serpent OS. Oh, they changed everything, bro. That's why I was like, man, like this is pretty cool. Okay, now I understand. Interesting, chat. So this could be a good one. Like this could be really cool. We're gonna get it, chat. Puppy Linux. My man. Man. Like we could do Nah, I don't know what to do with this. Antics. Debian stable. antiques magics, an environment suited for old computer. No. Okay, well, we don't have a lot, chat. I want to be honest with you guys. Like, there is not a lot of stuff going on those days, huh, chat? So this is the one you mentioned, right? Mochaccino. So it's based on freaking Gentoo, dude. The heck is that? Kamuriki? Kamuriki, chat? Linux? Man, the number of Debian-based distro is just insane, chat. Oh, look who is here! No way, guys! Look at those guys. Hacker OS. Ah, voilà! Finally, dude! Finally! So, Debian testing with Xan mode out of the box. And with the nice... Look at it. Cool. I like that. I like the name. Alors, the hit. Omarchi. Okay. Omarchi, dude, is crushing it, chat. Security Onion. What is this? Neptune. Salut Julien, how are you, dude? Hacker is a distrib of Mr. Robot. Nice, man. Slackware would be fun. Gotta manage dependency yourself. Unless you use certain add-on. Linux distribution based on Slackware. Small, portable, modular and immutable. Okay, no. Security Onion. What is this? Security Onion is especially security Linux distribution based on Oracle Linux. Oh! So this is more like a professional one, huh, chat? Oh, this is interesting, dude. Man, this is interesting me, chat. I don't think we're gonna be doing that. This is really interesting, chat. The heck is this? So how does he do that? Oh, you don't play with your 9700. So no, I don't play with the card. I'm actually streaming from it, Julien. And from time to time we do bench with it. This is actually insane, dude. I think you are right. It could be some type of firewall. Wondering if you need to install like the agent on all the machine. Like, I'm really curious about this type of solution, dude. Oh, you see, you have an agent. That's what I thought. You have an agent, a server, and then you need to install this everywhere to analyze the packet and everything. But this is interesting, dude. I never heard about that. Oh! It is insane, chat. Salut Steven. Neptune. Nice name too. Debian stable again. So what does it bring, this one? Yeah, I don't get it, brother. Tails. The Amnesic Incognito Live System is a Debian. The goal is providing a complete internet anonymity for user. Oh, cool. So I guess it's like full torrent, full everything, right? Tail use the network, the Tor, yeah, full Tor. Sorry, my bad. A network to protect your privacy online. Digital security box, free software. That's interesting, dude. Shut down the computer and start over on your Tail USB stick instead of starting on Windows or Linux. Tail leave no trace on the computer when shut down. That's pretty cool. So you do whatever you do, and then when you start again, you start fresh. Aaron, what's up? When I did my internship at the Moscow Custom, everyone used Astra Linux there. He has his own graphical interface called Fly. Never heard about this. Salut Cobuz, what's up? This is actually pretty, like, this could be interesting, but we can do gaming test or whatever, right? It's gonna be more like... But I see why it could be interesting, this. Okay, so we made the turn, chat. Kamuriki. LXQT, dude. So, no. Yeah, you see what I'm saying, chat? I did use it when I had to use public machine. Just boot it up and no limit / trace. Yeah. I think Tails is banned in some country. Interesting. That's a good one. Everything is Debian. Yeah, most of them here are Debian for sure. But you can see the trend, like Omar Shi is just killing it. So my guess is like we're gonna have like a Omarchi like top 1 really soon, chat. Right? $300. So let me check that. Where is it right now? Man, 3000 ETH, it should be around here. Why is it not showing? $230. Watch, it's top 100 already. So yeah, I'm guessing it's gonna be like top 5 really soon. But yeah, like for gaming, I think we covered everything. It took us 3 years to get serious about everything there, but I think we covered everything. Maybe a stream for checking out new Linux gaming app. Yeah, maybe. But yeah, we reach a point, or at least I reach a point where I'm like, do I do tutorial? Do I do something else? I don't know. I have a list of video I need to do, so don't be worried, we're gonna have more video, but for the live stream, I'm like, you know, what do we do from now on? Do I do coding stream where I learn how to code? Do I buy a wheel and do like, you know, become a race driver? I noticed, so the game to be competitive on racing is iRacing, right? I looked at it, but it doesn't work on Linux. Which sucks. I think it doesn't work. Let me check. iRacing has updated to a newer version of anti-cheat that check online before loading any session type. iRacing is now fully broken for any functionality other than browsing the UI. Worse than borked, the game is deliberately blocking Linux through his new process from whatever it is. I guess it's easy anti-cheat or whatever. Test drive, AI racing, replay, and off-course online session of any kind do not work. iRacing is very expensive to get into. I found a video where you can get in for like 1 year for like $7. So the hardest part would be the steering wheel and the pedal. The rest I can source, right? I can make the cockpit in wood. I can do something like that in the future. But it's going to be a long project. It's going to be like 3-4 months from now, right? It's not something that's going to happen, but it's something at the back of my head. Because I really enjoy that, dude. So, Assetto Corso Competizione. Competizione! But it's not as good as iRacing, right? So we're gonna have Cosmic Beta. Okay, this one we're gonna test for sure. We have GNOME 49. So we have GNOME 49 we can do on Wednesday. And so you say 25. And yeah, we could do on Friday Cosmic. Right? Wreckfest. No, but I'm talking about like real competition stuff. Like something where I can launch a stream and grind for like 10 hours, something like that. Like real competition. Because this I like to do, right? I don't know if people would watch that, but I don't know. Some fart, you know, chat? Ooh. 10-hour grind, damn. Yeah, we can do that. Like if I buy the wheel and the pedal, like it's not for looking at them, you know what I mean? Like I want to destroy them. Okay, so it works. So let's see. So I don't know what are those, chat. Do we have people who knows about all those stuff? Oh, you see? iRacing. Oh, okay, so this is how you do. That's the race for Assetto Corsa. GT solo event starting. Okay, solo event starting at 9 p.m. Solo event. So they have a lot of events, right? So I guess you enter this stuff. You have the Evo now. So what is Evo? Evo is the latest one? Oh, okay. So let's do that again. Corsa Competizioni. Air Factor, Le Mans Ultimate, iRacing, Forza Motorsport, F1 2025. So this one won't work for sure. Automobilista 2. Competition. So they don't have... So there is no Evo League, dude.
Right now, get up to 40.
I'm such a noob when it comes to like this type of game. How dangerous are crossbow? Pretty dangerous, I would say.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.
What is Lead for Speed?
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate
everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after
Oh, the game is still early. Got it.
over facts, over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got. It was built to last.
Do they have the Nürburgring chat? So Aceta competition, okay. LFS is a free simulator. Okay, let me check it.
Take a look whether some of them are true and whether they are going to live up to your expectations. Region surrounding the Green Hell. 1,600 square kilometers have been LiDAR scanned to be replicated in the game. Friends and cars and enjoy the businesses and, for example, rent track cars for the Nürburgring. Rental car company. How big of a wing you can put on your car, and whether imagine a scenario where you discount or maybe even a free product. This is impressive. Stay tuned.
What the heck am I? What am I watching, chat? This look ghetto, no?
Where is the game we were all so excited for? Because today we're not just looking at a game with a few bugs, we're investigating a game whose biggest features, the reasons why we bought into early access, still feel imaginary. So let's rewind. Kunos and the people that kind of promoted it and marketed it sold us on a vision that was nothing short of spectacular. This wasn't just a sequel to Assetto Corsa, they were building a whole platform for the future. And the crown jewel of this promise, I think it's fair to say, was a gigantic 1,600 square kilometer laser scanned open world, a digital playground modelled on Germany's legendary Eifel region, obviously home of the Nürburgring.
Wow,
this
okay.
wasn't just about hot lapping anymore, it was about living the automotive life. They did tell us we'd have free roaming mode with AI traffic, we'd be able to rent cars, visit tuning workshops, and just drive. So the RPG
You can go there and see Misha. Like, you can literally meet Misha in the game, dude. For the people who knows.
Implied a journey starting, or we interpreted a journey, starting the doors to early access cars and tracks we had paid for.
Oh no, boys! I love Misha, yeah, me too.
And online, I was disappointed because I wasn't aware of this and I hadn't covered it in my pre-release reporting. And if I'd known, I would have made videos saying, by the way, this has some kind of like online aspect, be aware of it. But I wasn't able to, and people were locked out of their own game. So for those who could get in, the performance was, well, not great initially, and it is fair to say that Kunos did act incredibly quickly in patching the game to allow us to get around the always online requirement. But high-end PCs, rigs that can run on any other sim on max settings, ultra settings, were struggling to get a stable frame rates. I can tell you this myself, on my RTX 4090, it was difficult to get the game stable. And for VR players, it was practically unplayable. The game was very difficult to run in VR, very difficult. Steam reviews immediately tanked to mixed, and the forums were on fire. According to Kunos' own schedule, the first parts of that incredible
so it's
open
still in
world,
beta,
the
chat.
Eiffel free roaming area.
I think Vince is right on this one. Yeah. I don't know, man. It seemed like an expensive hobby, dude. Oh well, chat. We covered everything. We covered everything. Nothing to add on this distro, dude. Nothing to add. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing if I'm gonna be doing that, chat. I don't think I'm gonna be doing it. Like the review of this one. Sparky Linux. I think on Wednesday we're gonna do GNOME, and that's gonna be a good start. Okay, chat. That's it. That's all. I'm gonna stop the stream. There is nothing like else we're gonna cover today. I think it was pretty good. It was a rough start, huh, chat. This distro was definitively a rough start. We fixed it. We installed it. We make it work. But yeah, can't really like even cover it. Right? Thanks again for watching. Thanks for all the support. We got a support from Zero Linux at the beginning. We got Jos Forza. We went really strong with a support on Twitch. We also had like Mirko, who gave some sub to the community. Much appreciated, dude. We are out. Guys, thank you very much for watching. GNOME 49 on Wednesday and Cosmic on Friday. I will be the live schedule for next week. And yeah, that's it. That's all, guys. Gonna have to make some new video for this week. We'll see what I come with. But yeah, this is it. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a good rest of your Friday. Have a great weekend. And see you in the next one. Bisous, bisous.